All right, guys, so here's the next project. We got a 2018 Subaru Legacy. Car needs a wash, and then we'll see what the damages are. So it looks like missed the rails, went right above them. Says it runs and drives, so we will find out. So that's it. Next project is here. All right, so here's the car. Got some blown airbags. The body's in pretty good shape. Does have a little bit of damage back here on the quarter panel, as you can see. Didn't see that in the pictures, but that's part of buying cars without looking at them. So yeah, airbags, roof airbags are blown. The wheel airbag is blown. And then the front. So here's what we got. No frame damage. Here are the frame rails. No damage whatsoever. Here's the frame rail. Just a little tab bent. Just hit that back with the hammer. And yeah. Not a bad little car. Pretty nice inside. Got a big old display. Let's see. Battery. It's got like 35,000 miles on it. And yeah, pretty clean interior. So we already got the front end a little bit torn apart, I guess. Gave a car a wash. It was super dirty. So now we're gonna tear it apart the rest of the way and get it ready for the core support. So let's get to work. Okay, so here's what we got. Moved all the wiring out of the way. And here's the core support. We're gonna straighten out these brackets so where the core support welds. We're straightening out those brackets. Everything else looks pretty straight. Looks pretty good. And then the bottom, we're also going to try to straighten out the bottom. The core support goes like this. And let's see. We got the core support here. So I'm going to open it up and then we'll see what it looks like. So here's the new core support. So it's just going to mount something like that. So maybe if we could straighten out this bottom piece, then we could just drill these spots out. Take that apart. Couple spot welds there. And that way we could be able to save the bottom. So we're gonna drill out these next, get those out of the way, and then try to see if we can straighten out the bottom. So let's see what we can do. Alright, so I drilled out the old pieces of core support. We are going to try to save this. So next I'm going to go ahead and try to straighten that out. These need to be straight, that side and that side. So what I got is a hammer and a dolly. So I'm going to hold the dolly and hammer it out, and hopefully it'll become straight. And we'll straighten that out too while we're at it. And then it's gonna look perfect. So let's get to work.
Alright guys, so we're back working on the 2018 Subaru Legacy. It's been a couple days, so this is the same video, but next day, and we're gonna be changing. We actually found something that was broken, and it's this piece right here. I had to order it from the dealer. So it's a pipe that the radiator hose connects to, and it's busted, so we're gonna replace this sucker right now. So let's start taking apart some stuff.
So here's what we're gonna have to take off. So I'm gonna try to attempt to take off this alternator on both this, and we're gonna try to sneak in. So if you can see, there's a little bit of play in here, and there's antifreeze down in there. So that pipe goes along there into the back. So we're gonna try to see if we can fish it out of there. So let's get to work. So the pipe is out. There's the crack. So we'll clean up the motor a little bit and get ready to put the new one in. All right, so we transferred. So this has to be transferred, this. And then the sensor. So we're ready to go back in. All right, so the new tube is in. Everything's hooked back up. Now time to wash the motor, clean it up a little bit because it has antifreeze that leaked out all over here, so time to clean up the motor. All right, the motor's all cleaned up, looking good. So now we're gonna change these two sensors. There's one busted on this side, and one busted on this side. Just two 10mm bolts and we'll get it replaced. So here's one. Bam, just like that. We got new sensors, good to go. Good to go, 2 new sensors. So now, time to put the AC compressor back on and the alternator back on. Almost forgot about this. The cap was busted on here, so we're gonna take this sucker off. You can tell that sucker's all beat up. We got the brand new one. Everything is back together. Well, not everything, but everything that we took off.